Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about the Aussie index. Right now it's 9:25. I'm a little late, but 9:30 we have red news for Aussie dollar, and this is the chart I made on the 9th, showing that this is going to be bouncing from the TL and this 43.99, and this is the current chart as of today. So it did bounce, it went up, and it came down and then went up. It's messing around into this area, but now we have a good news, red news, but I think that we're gonna have a good news, and I think we will, 80% chances are that this thing is gonna go to the upside. So get ready. If this thing is gonna go to the upside, then Aussie dollar gonna get strong. And on my this chart is showing a bearish setup. And you can see that if you have a fib from here to here, this is like X, A, B at 61%, then C 23% line, then usually it comes to make a Gertler pattern around 78%. And that would be if we get a bad news, it's going to drop here 78%, bullish Gertler pattern would be finished. And then maybe later on it's going to go up. Or at the time of the news, if these numbers hold, 4709 and 4619, this is where 4619 is. Okay, it's not here. It's probably here. Let me see, 4619 right there. Okay, and 4709 is right there. So these are the numbers that is stopping it right now. But this is like a monthly chart. You can see posting a hammer here so far. It's not complete, of course, it's like a monthly chart, but I had a chart saying that it's going to bounce from here, and it did. And so far it's a bullish candle. So let's see if this news comes out positive, then it's going to fly to the upside, and it will cause what the Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, especially those of my favorite pairs, probably going to go down. All right, if it goes up in case of positive news. If negative, then we have to do, just watch the, just the opposite. Like I said, that then this thing is going to drop here to 78% area, 142.84, which 1842.06 is right there. And 142.84, do we have any number? 142.59 is this low here. 42.78 is this low here. So it may just drop here, but I seriously doubt it. Let's see what happens. I think that we're gonna have a good news and it's gonna bounce. All right, so let's see. Let's wait and see a few more minutes for the news. I'm gonna close it and then just sit tight and watch the news and the reaction. Right, like I said, if positive news, and then this thing is going to go up on a 20-minute chart. This is how it looks like. It's already have a bullish candle. Bullish scenario, right? So if it start to go up, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, I'll be looking for short setup in those pairs. And of course, Aussie USD, long side, and Aussie Yen. I'm not going to touch that because there is a reason. So this is it. Let's watch and see what happens. Stop recording.